Welcome to the JadyTrack app demo, and in this demo we will show you what JadyTrack actually is. And so first, let's open the app. So JadyTrack is your personal assistant to monitor your peers' location, so you can swipe right to continue. And also JadyTrack helps easily track your family. No more worrying about your family. We'll show you where your family is or where your peers are in real time. You also get travel protection with JadyTrack. You can set up safe zones and you can set up danger zones on different and on customizable virtual fences and make sure that your family is safe wherever they're going. JadyTrack also has an SOS button so that your peers or your family members can notify you of emergencies easier and faster just by tapping the SOS button to automatically send an emergency alert to your viewers. With JadyTrack, no more of those annoying "where are you" questions or messages from your peer. Literally, just tap the check-in button and let your peers know that you have arrived to the destination. And last, you get real-time automatic notifications when your peers arrive at their destination, exit a virtual fence or exit a geofence, and more. So let's swipe right to get started. The first thing you will do is you need to create an account. If you've already created an account, you can log in from the right side, as you can see over here. But let's just create a new account now. So let's say my name is James and my email is, let's just say, james2@example.com. Okay, and then for the password, and let's just quickly sign up. Welcome to JadyTrack. We can follow the quick tutorial on how to use JadyTrack. The first thing you can do is you can change your profile photo by clicking on the image on top. However, let's click on the middle of the circle to continue the tutorial. This is the appointment button. You can create and set up geofences and destinations for your target's trip here. Now this is where your target or where your peers or where your family members can broadcast their current location in real time, as well as share their current tracking session to create appointments. Next is the viewer button. You can view your target by scanning the QR code or tracking ID in this page. Now this is the quick route management page. You can change the name or delete your previously created geofences here. But since we don't have a route yet, this is not enabled yet. You can also log out on the top right of the page over here. And the help menu is on the top left of the page. Now with that done, you're ready to use JadyTrack. Now as you can see over here, JadyTrack is in English. However, you can change the language by changing the system's language. As you can see, I'm using English as my system language, and so JadyTrack is in English. However, if I have a phone with another language, let's say Indonesian, the app will automatically change to the Indonesian version of the app. And so all the text here is Indonesian. Now with that done, let's just quickly go on and set up our user. We can tap the picture of the person and we will be taken to the profile management page. Okay, so welcome to the profile management page. In this page, you can change your profile photo, change your password, or even log out. Well, first, since we want to set up our user account, let's change our profile photo. To do that, simply click on this button, change profile photo, pick your profile photo, I'll pick this one, and it'll upload the profile photo automatically. As you can see, the profile photo is uploaded automatically. To go back to the previous menu, all you need to do is press the back button on the top left corner. The back button is always on the top left corner and the layout is always consistently done, even though you're in a different phone, in a different resolution, and a different screen size. The layout is always the same. So let's click on this back button over here. Now as you can see, on the top corner of the screen, you can see the new profile photo. You can use JadyTrack now that your profile is completed. Now the next part will show you a few scenarios on you sharing your location, tracking your peers, using the mobile app and the web app at the same time, setting appointments, and more. Okay. So let's start to learn how to set an appointment. To do that, you need to first broadcast your current location by clicking on the target button. After the target button loads and you get your current location, you need to enable the broadcast by clicking on this Enable Broadcast button. Once it's done, you need to share your tracking ID to your peers. Your peers can either scan this QR code, scan the ID, scan the full tracking ID, or you can share this tracking link. We really recommend you to share the tracking link instead because it's faster for your peers. Now to do that, just tap the share tracking link and you get this tracking link. You can either copy it or use your messaging app to quickly message your friend. So let's just message our friend over here and let's message him saying this is the tracking ID and that's it. Before we can track the location of the target, or your location right now, your friend needs to set an appointment. To do that, let's switch to the other phone and see how to set an appointment. So now that we're on our other device, let's start to create an appointment. To do that, just click on the tracking link that your peer has sent, open with JadyTrack v2, and you can now see the target's picture and ID and name. So now let's start to create an appointment. To do that, just click on the appointment button on the bottom of the page. So as you can see, now you can set an appointment with your peer. You get step-by-step guidance and you can just follow the instructions on screen. So let's start to pick a destination. So let's say, since our target is over there, let's say our target wants to go here. And then we can confirm our destination on the bottom of the screen. And now let's create a geofence. Let's confirm it, and let's create a geofence that is shaped like a diamond. Let's say something like that. Oh, but it's outside our geofence, so we can quickly fix it by go over there and making it bigger, or we can press the undo button. So let's confirm our geofence, and you will be asked if you want to save it to our quick routes. Well, the quick routes is our new feature that we have improved according to the user's usability tests, and now the quick routes will save it and store your destination and your appointment instructions so that you can use it in the future later, and you can also edit the name and edit some more stuff later on the quick routes management page. So let's just click yes, and that's it. Once you're done with the appointment, you will be brought to the live viewer page. As you can see, the target is currently moving because the picture keeps on moving around, and that the target is inside the geofence. So as you can see on the top of the page, the target is also now online. You can also see the current target's location by copying the link that is sent on the message previously and opening it on the website. Welcome to the web app. The web app itself is a simple place where you can just click this button to start tracking, input the tracking ID over here, submit it, and get your real-time location of your peers. Now, since our peer has already sent the link for tracking to us, all we need to do is open our WhatsApp or our messaging app and click this link. I will just click copy and paste it over here in my web browser, and it'll open our tracking site directly for us. As you can see, currently our target name is James and he hasn't arrived yet. And so we can use Control Scroll to zoom in, or you can click these buttons to zoom in and zoom out. So as you can see, our location tracking for our target is live, and our target is still over here and not in the destination yet. So now let's see the phone view again to see the real-time tracking in action. Back on the target's view, you can see that the target is inside the geofence. Now let's say that the target wants to send an SOS message. The target can quickly click on the SOS button and confirm it. What will happen is an emergency status will be sent, and the viewers, including the web app and the Android app, will get a notification about the dangers. So as you can see on the other phone, the target is currently in danger. You get a notification and you get sound notifications. On the other hand, let's say that the target is already on the destination, but the signal is not there, or you want to say that the target is already in the destination, but there's no GPS signal. All you can do is you can also just click the check-in button and check yourself in, and your peer will get a notification that the target has reached the destination. So on the other phone, you can see that, oh, the target has reached the destination. Well, that's currently it for the demo of how to set a target's destination, appointment, and how to view the target. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.